Hello and welcome. My name is Shannon Cecilia, and I am a spiritual guide and mentor. This month in A Creative Cauldron, our master class is our companions, angels, and spirit guides. That's right, our divine companions, angels, and spirit guides. So I'd like to invite you to connect with your celestial allies and divine companions. This August, A Creative Cauldron invites you to join our enchanting masterclass. Explore the mystical realms and discover the magic of your angelic protectors and spirit guides. This masterclass is designed to deepen your spiritual connections, enhance your intuitive abilities, and bring the wisdom of the divine into your daily life. Here's what you'll learn: identifying and connecting with your personal angels and spirit guides, techniques for clear communication and receiving divine messages, creating sacred space and rituals to honor your celestial companions, using crystals, meditation, and oracle cards to enhance your spiritual practice, understanding the roles and specialties of different angels and guides. Why join us? Engage with a loving and supportive community of like-minded spiritual seekers. Receive personalized guidance and insights from me, your expert instructor. Access exclusive resources and tools to deepen your connection with the divine. Transform your life by aligning with the wisdom and protection of your divine companions. Are you ready to embark on this celestial journey? Sign up now and let your angels and spirit guides illuminate your path to self-discovery and spiritual growth. Click on the link below to register today. Don't miss out on this divine adventure. Grab your spot and let's connect with our celestial companions together. Stay magical and stay connected. And remember, the divine is always on your side.